Hi there, I'm Allison Cordner, and I'm a Registered Clinical Counsellor, Certified Somatic Experiencing Practitioner, and Registered Counseling Therapist and Supervisor. I specialize in experiential and relational process-based therapy, helping individuals, couples, and university students navigate relational and developmental trauma. My journey started in the arts with a Bachelor of Fine Arts in Contemporary Dance and a diploma in commercial photography. From performing on stage to capturing life's most precious moments, I've always been passionate about human expression and connection. Over time, that passion led me to pursue a Master of Counseling Psychology, a professional counseling diploma in transpersonal counseling, and extensive training in somatic experiencing, relational, process-based supervision, and other transformative therapeutic approaches. I draw inspiration from incredible mentors like John and Julie Gottman, Peter Levine, Gabor Mate, Janina Fisher, Diana Fosha, and Diane Poole-Heller, integrating their wisdom into my work. At Speakeasy Counselling and Associates, my approach is warm, attuned, and inclusive. I incorporate psychodrama, empty chair work, somatic and transpersonal exploration, and other proven relational tools to create a safe, dynamic space for healing. For those seeking clinical supervision, I offer a process-oriented approach, helping counselors to develop their awareness, deepen their therapeutic relationships, and navigate rupture and repair with confidence. So whether you're on a personal healing journey or a therapist looking for guidance, I'm here to support you. Let's explore, heal, and grow together.